The new sciences is a term that's applied to a group of scientific approaches that emerged from the late 19th century with the emergence of field theory, and particularly after relativity theory and then quantum mechanics in the 1920s. It refers to an approach to science that challenges the classical model of classical physics, often called the Cartesian Newtonian worldview, because René Descartes formulated the mathematics, laid the foundation philosophically for what then became Newtonian science. And that really is the bedrock of what science came to be. And then with the emergence of relativity theory and quantum mechanics, that threw down this radical challenge to the assumptions of really what reality is, what is solid matter, what is space, what is time. So the new sciences or the new paradigm sciences, paradigm being model, um, really came in the wake of what happened in modern physics. And they refer to things such as David Bohm's work, Einstein, David Bohm in physics itself, Fritjof Capra, who also wrote in physics and systems theory, chaos theory, complexity science, Rupert Sheldrake's work on morphic fields. So in the course, we would look at a selection of these new paradigm sciences, and the reason we do that, it might sound kind of a little abstract, why is that relevant to a course on synchronicity? Well, synchronicity, like the new sciences, challenges the um, dominant worldview, what we understand to be true about our reality. It's very radical in that sense. So both the new sciences and synchronicity lay down this challenge. And if you want to understand synchronicity, you need to have a different view of reality, a different worldview than the one that we generally learn from our education. So engaging with the new sciences is all helpful for trying to understand, just what are synchronicities? How can they happen? How can we reconcile them with what we know to be true about reality? Because if we're going to trust synchronicities and maybe we're going to use them to help organize our lives, then we need to understand just what they are. I mean, are they nonsense? Are they to be disregarded? Should we turn instead to scientific understanding and reason, or should we open ourselves to a different way of engaging with the world, with life? And obviously, I think we should. But the new sciences help give a kind of intellectual and indeed scientific credence to what synchronicity is and how it can help us.